Okay, it is Tuesday, August 12th, and the big news of the day is inflation readings. So welcome back here. This is our Clubhouse Weekly Insider, little market updates to try to help you plan for all your investing and real estate needs. So big news this morning is July's inflation numbers came down in cooler than expected. So headline CPI held at 2.7% year over year, and monthly prices only rose 0.2%. That is less than the market was bracing for. So it's sparking a lot of excitement that the Fed will actually cut rates at their September meeting. So here's the kind of the highlights of what they're talking about, and what this means for you and why it matters is mortgage rates always move on expectations. So if you want to look at the 10-year treasury, this is 1 month, okay, 4.2. We want to see this. If it has a 3 on there, we'll be in really great shape. So 4.2 is trending in the right direction. The bond market is already reacting. That puts downward pressure on mortgage rates. So if the Fed cuts in September, we could see a more meaningful drop the weeks that follow, especially if inflation continues trending in the right direction. So real quick look at the market. See, it's active right now. So the market is looking really nice. Rates have really been holding steady over the last week, which is really good news. We've been so used to up, down, up, down, up, down, that some stability is a great thing. So here's the conventional chart. You can see just not a whole lot of movement, and then really it's trending downward, which is exactly what we want to see. So my advice, especially if you're looking to refinance, if you've bought in the last couple years, don't refinance just because there's a tiny dip in the rates. Know your strike rate, the exact interest rate that makes sense for you. How much do you want to save in a refinance? What's worth it to take on a little bit of closing costs that traditionally is added on to the back of your loan? Remember, when people say no cost, that's not quite true. That might be a little misleading, because there are costs. What they're really saying is just no money out of your pocket at the closing table. So no cost means that you're just rolling in the cost to your loan amount. So the strike rate is the point where the monthly savings justify those costs and hit your personal break even faster. So I work with all my clients to track this in real time, so we can pull the trigger the moment the market hits that number. That way you're not guessing and you're not leaving any money on the table. So if you want me to track this for you, or if you want to start talking about when the right time for opportunity that might hit, please reach out today. The right refinance is about timing and math, and not just chasing headlines. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Please follow our channel here. We're trying to put out a lot more information so you stay updated in a time that is, really just changing all the time, right? So have a great week, and we look forward to talking to you soon.